Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about protecting your home from catastrophic water damage with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best water leak detectors, chosen for their range, safety features, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started and see which of these sensors actually makes sense. We're starting with the Moen Flow Smart Water Leak Detector. It's a clean, compact unit that packs a CR123A lithium battery designed to last up to 2 years. It monitors for leaks, extreme temperature drops, and humidity levels 24/7. One of the best features is the 48-inch extension cable with a remote sensing disc. This lets you reach those annoying tight spaces under a washing machine or dishwasher where the main unit won't fit. If it finds water, you get a push notification, a blinking LED, and an audible alarm. But here's the reality check. We found that the pairing process is often a headache. You'll likely need to hunt down a YouTube tutorial because the included instructions are pretty thin. The internal alarm is also surprisingly quiet, measuring around 62 decibels. If it's in a noisy basement, you won't hear it. You're really relying on your phone for alerts. Also, keep an eye on the battery out of the box, as some units arrive with low power. It's a premium high-end pick for Moen ecosystem fans, but it has quirks.
Next up is the YoLink Smart Water Leak Starter Kit. This system is a beast when it comes to range. It uses LoRa technology, which keeps it connected up to a quarter-mile away in open air. It's perfect if you have a massive property or a detached garage where standard Wi-Fi just dies. The kit includes a hub and sensors with built-in 105 decibel sirens. These sensors run on 2 AAA batteries that can last up to 5 years. It also features D2D control, meaning the sensors can trigger a shut-off valve even if your internet goes down. On the downside, the hub requires a physical Ethernet connection, which really limits where you can plug it in. We've noticed the software setup isn't exactly plug-and-play for everyone. If you're not tech-savvy, the configuration might feel a bit complex. Also, if you're ordering from overseas, be aware it often ships with a US-style plug. Despite the setup hurdles, it's a high-end, extremely reliable choice for long-distance monitoring. It offers massive peace of mind for those with larger homes or complex layouts and needs.
Now we're checking out the D-Link Next Gen Leak Detector. This is a no-hub required setup that connects directly to your Wi-Fi. It uses a master unit that plugs into a wall and a battery-powered remote pod. It's loud. We're talking 100 decibel siren paired with an LED strobe light. It also integrates with Google Assistant, so your smart speakers can announce a leak. The range is solid, utilizing sub-GZ technology to reach up to 1,000 feet in open spaces. It's great for covering multiple floors without extra hardware. However, it isn't perfect. The biggest issue we've seen is its inability to reconnect after a power outage. If your router and the sensor lose power, the D-Link often fails to find the network again without a manual power cycle. That's a huge flaw if you're on vacation. The Aquila Pro AI app is also a bit buggy and requires mandatory firmware updates to keep notifications working. It's a budget-friendly option with great volume, but the connectivity quirks mean you shouldn't trust it blindly for long periods. It works well, but stay alert.
The GoveeLife Upgraded Leak Detector 1S is all about massive coverage at a budget-friendly price. It uses sub-1G wireless tech to maintain a signal through 5 dense walls, reaching up to 1,804 feet. The sensors are IP67 waterproof, meaning they can survive being totally submerged and still work after you dry them off. You get 105 decibel alarms with 4 adjustable volume levels. One big plus is the 5-year battery life on a single charge. It also sends free SMS, email, and app alerts the second things get wet. The cynical side, it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So if you've got a modern 5 GHz only mesh system, you're gonna have a bad time. We also found that while it monitors temperature, it won't send an SMS for low temp warnings, only app and email alerts. Setup on iPhones can be frustrating because of how it handles Bluetooth Low Energy. The app might say it can't find the device, even when it's right there. It's an effective, affordable system, but the initial pairing might test your patience. It's solid once it's finally connected. Finally, we have the GoveeLife Premium Smart Leak Detector 2. This is the big brother to the 1S, pushing the range out to a staggering 1,968 feet using LoRa technology. It's a high-end kit that usually comes with a prepared gateway, making the initial setup much smoother. The sensors feature 2 top probes and 4 bottom probes, so they catch both drips from above and floods from below. It's IP66 rated and integrates with Alexa and Google Home for voice alerts. Like the others, it boasts a 5-year battery life. The design has some annoying flaws though. The gateway is bulky and often blocks the second outlet on a standard wall plug, making it useless for anything else. The user manual feels like it was rushed through a bad translator, so don't expect much help there. Also, if you're a power user, be aware there's no native home assistant support. It's a powerful, high-end system that covers an incredible amount of ground, but you'll have to deal with some clunky hardware design and a mediocre manual. It's a great, powerful choice regardless. And that wraps up the top 5 best water leak detectors. If this video helped you figure out how to keep your floors dry, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate the support, and we'll see you in the next one. Check the links below for the products mentioned in today's video. See you next time.